What do you think will happen to this truck driver? Driving a truck while drowsy is deadly. Falling asleep at the wheel causes loss of control, delayed reactions, and longer stopping distances, making accidents almost inevitable. Due to a truck size, crashes can be catastrophic, leading to severe injuries or deaths. Fortunately, the driver wasn't seriously injured, and he regained consciousness, as you can see at the end of the footage. A driver of a UAZ car became stuck on the railway tracks. Despite the car owner's efforts to save the vehicle until the last moment, he jumped out just seconds before the collision. While the train driver applied emergency braking, the collision was unavoidable. Fortunately, no one was injured in this accident. However, there was nothing left of the car. Why shouldn't you stop your car on a zebra crossing? It is a designated area meant for pedestrians. You can stop anywhere else but not there. Did the pedestrian do the right thing? What would you do if it were your last drop of petrol and you needed to get to the gas station as soon as possible? Jokes aside, what do you think actually happened here? This attempted robbery occurred in Chile, where a group of thieves targeted a money transport truck on a bridge with no escape routes. They tried to block its path with their car and then attacked the truck, attempting to open the door and shoot the driver. What they didn't consider was that in a moment of desperation, the truck driver could push anything out of the way. What would you say to these thieves? Stopping between two trucks is a deadly mistake. If one rear-ends you, you'll be crushed with nowhere to escape. The footage shows just how quickly a car can get sandwiched between heavy vehicles, turning a simple stop into a catastrophe. Always leave enough space to maneuver, especially near large trucks. Road safety isn't just about speed, it's about smart positioning. Stay alert, stay safe, never stop between trucks. Trucks are heavy, and debris thrown from their tires can cause serious damage. In this instance, debris hit a van's fuel tank, causing a leak. The truck driver behind, who noticed the situation, called on his radio to alert both the truck and the van to stop.
Why should you avoid driving through puddles? If there's water on the road, the safest thing to do is to avoid it. Deep puddles of standing water can cause damage to your car. Driving fast reduces tire contact with the road and increases the chance of crashing.
Despite the road being eroded by heavy rain and flooding, these truck drivers still stubbornly insist on passing. What makes some drivers so reckless and arrogant in the face of danger? Who is at fault in this accident? Clearly, the ambulance is at fault, but probably you are wondering why it didn't stop. Well, the ambulance was actually stolen. Why should you avoid illegal overtaking? Speeding is dangerous, but illegal overtaking, especially of long vehicles when there isn't enough time, is even more hazardous. Such reckless driving not only puts your life at risk, but also endangers others. A terrifying scene unfolded on Houston's North Loop when a white SUV attempted a DIY tow, dragging a blue sedan with a chain at highway speed. Suddenly, the chain snapped the car's axle, sending it zigzagging across lanes. Shocked drivers dodged wildly as the terrified man inside the sedan panicked, while his girlfriend behind the wheel of the SUV laughed. The stunt went viral, and police later arrested the man on an unrelated warrant.